Hi guys, Simple Techniques. So today I'm testing my two drives. Both are NVMe SSDs with 2 TB size. I got my main drive Phantom drives Venom 8, and I got my secondary drive PNY CS2130 2 TB. So Phantom drives is a Gen 4 SSD, while CS2130 is a Gen 3 SSD. I'm planning to replace CS2130 later on, but for now, I'm gonna use it as my drive for games. Okay, while doing this, I think I'm gonna be testing out. I'm gonna be testing out copying some files. So I got these two ISO files. We're going to transfer this to drive D. See how fast we got. Okay, that took a few seconds, probably 5 seconds or something. That's going from Venom 8 to PNY. And then let's try transfer back. That's a little bit faster, probably 3 to 4 seconds. I don't have a timer right now, but yeah, it looks like. Okay, going with the build while waiting for this. I actually have a 13500 Core i5. This has 20 cores. That means there's 6 P cores and I think it's 8 E cores. Then the 6 P cores are multi-threaded, so it's 12 threads. That's why it's 20 cores. Sorry, 20 threads, not 20 cores, 20 threads. Okay, the motherboard is ASUS TUF Gaming H670-PRO Wi-Fi D4. The reason I bought this is mainly for the price versus the features. This motherboard has 4 NVMe slots. Okay, all Gen 4. And then 3 of the drives has heatsink, which is very nice. I bought it for like 280 Singapore dollars. For the CPU, I bought this for about 358 Singapore dollars. For the drive, I got the Phantom Venom 8. This one I bought for $160. Then PNY CS2130. I bought this I think sometime in 2021. So it's about 210, I think. But now I think you can buy this for about 117 to 125 Singapore dollars. So it's a lot of savings. On a good sale, you can buy this close to 110. The GPU I have on the system is 4070. I bought this on sale for $843 Singapore dollars. And then my power supply is RM850, which I bought for $178. My PC case is Montec Air Premium. It's the Air 1000 Premium. I bought it for $92. And then my CPU cooler. My CPU cooler is the Deepcool AK400. I bought it for about $40, if not mistaken, 40 or 42. So yeah, that's the build that I put up, and as you can see, the speeds are well within the advertised speeds. Very satisfied with the build, also very satisfied with the drives. So okay, I think this will end this video for today. I'm just testing out and sharing at the same time the performance of the two drives that I bought. And yeah, I'll just update again once I got the new drives to fill up the other two slots. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.